score for today on Monday and on Ministry Monday. We get HR expert Bumi Oni for Inside Studio. So therefore we go hand over after clapping of a hand. Clap. You use the clap yourself. Yes, what's your for your weekend? Where you and Albert go? Waiting be You know say when we don't easy with the gossip.
No,
we don't gossip here. We don't gossip.
No, we don't roll like that.
We don't gossip. We don't roll like that. That is why we always say, "Are you with me?"
I am with you.
So therefore, if you are with us, tell us. What happen for weekend?
Weekend just dey restive.
Restive.
I'm telling you.
What did Albert do?
Albert travel now.
Which day in travel?
It's supposed to be Thursday.
Thursday. So when he come back?
I never see him.
before he travel, how far? What happen?
He tell me say he won't travel.
No, I know say he tell you. I mean, what happen before he travel?
Nothing, no.
Nothing. Nah, go biati. Nah, go biati. Anyway, I beg, our topic for today now self-confidence, self-esteem, confidence swag. For where you dey work, swag for where you dey work. Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of TV, make you begin to call us. But I go hand over now to Bumi Oni, may she continue. Over to you.
Thank you. You know, say we don't dey talk plenty things, but you know, for Nigeria, people they get low self-esteem for work, but they no feel
like some people that like. If you want to talk, say some people like I be around this.
You don't talk.
Continue.
We go first define self-esteem. Self-esteem, it is confidence in the efficacy of our mind.
Also English. Also English. Confidence in efficacy. Who is
of
efficacy
our
now?
mind.
What is efficacy now?
Okay, wait. Make I rephrase. They say it is confidence in our ability to learn, to manage change.
Person they get confidence to learn something again.
If you get low self-esteem, where you don't go there, you understand, patient to learn. Because they always feel, say, everything go they irritate the person, they make them angry. As if some people, they, for work, some people they feel, say, some people they bully them, some people they write them. Now low self-esteem.
They feel inferior.
They feel inferior. Okay. So to get patience, we be say open mind, to learn, go there. Because you go feel, say, you don't sabi everything.
If person where they feel say don't sabi everything, that not be low self-esteem now.
Now low self-esteem, now part of the signs of low self-esteem where we go discuss this night.
Maybe you get us saying, I know, I'm not worried.
I know, I wait till they teach themselves. Thing where I don't learn since. Okay, can't do them now. I get one meeting where I suppose go. I go see, to just avoid. You will see those kind of people where be say, they don't go get that, not be say arrogance. Because most people, they go feel say, when you get high self-esteem, now arrogant. But no be arrogant. Now self-esteem, maybe say you sabi for your mind.
Okay. Okay.
So now be say it is confidence in our ability to learn, to manage change, and to make appropriate choices and decisions.
This way. My problem is in English they speak. I don't understand what they talk.
Say like we don't talk now. If you get high,
you go say speak English now.
When you get high self-esteem, you go they make good choices. Okay. And you go they make good decisions.
Okay, person will get high self-esteem.
Exactly.
You make good choices and good decisions.
Good decision, yes. Then you go get confidence.
You can't get confidence again.
Not be say, because when you don't get high self-esteem, you go get that patience to learn. Things where not be say shame day. To say this thing.
Well, you know what I believe say low self-esteem go make you not get confidence and not make you make good decision. All those boys will not defeat those babe.
Now low self-esteem.
Now low self-esteem.
Yes, now they go sit down for class. One corner, they write letter.
And
they don't go put their name. God bless you.
From secret admirer.
Come put kiss face.
They're not saying that thing before.
Come put them under your desk.
Now thank you for that.
No, how about go send that kind of thing? No, now. So, how about only? Now you say, how about get crush on me? You understand what I'm saying?
Hey! Oh, maybe. Hey! You see? I thought say Albert sell letter. I say no, Albert is not like that. When you say Albert waka, he get confidence.
Now only waka.
Now only waka come.
Can't tell me say get crush.
Hey! How you take you that day? Albert, stop it.
I don't see the sign. Say we don't talk am. Like Easy Beat now. When we talk say Easy Beat gets can do attitude. Now you say now soft skill. So go down identify those kind of things now.
So you don't see them. For I did yes, when they come, we don't know say this guy won't come.
I don't see the swag.
But wait, do you like him? You like him after he don't talk, after he gets that self-confidence now, can't tell you all those things. You like him or you like?
Hey, they good make person they express himself.
No, for how many score he get for that confidence we he get?
How I go rate him?
Between 1 to 10.
Professionally or
no,
unprofessional?
professionally, romantically,
everything. Romantically, 0. Now you get.
Romantically, 0.
Hey!
Hey!
Now, yes, now.
And then emotionally,
Emotionally, maybe 2.
Yeah. For dressing, physically.
1.
Yeah.
Alabas, you are dead. DED, dead. Now all this security you go to stay with. Continue.
Hey, how we go now identify self-esteem? You know, say it's not everybody that has low self-esteem. Some people get low self-esteem. They don't know, say they get.
They don't know, say they get low self-esteem.
Yes, now. The first thing we go identify be say individuals wey get low self-esteem, they always get low confidence. Low confidence. They no go get something where we say say this thing now 1, 2, 3, 4. They no go there assertive. You know, their matter go be
it could maybe
if it be like this, so but you see, and then they talk quietly, you know, as if they fear.
So anybody when they talk quiet now, you not get confidence.
It different. It different. See, person will quiet naturally.
Like me now, I'm quiet. Can be very quiet somebody.
Yes. I know.
Continue.
Now we say that they say they don't speak up in meetings.
Okay, for meetings they know the quick talk because they no one talk. Make person not say, this one for your opinion about that nonsense. You talk now. You say, make a quiet.
Exactly. I don't know the one way I go talk now. They gonna say, now me spoil
everything now.
Make I just keep quiet.
Say they do ITK. Make I keep quiet.
Not be only me kuku dey the meeting. Everybody else they dey for the meeting. So if they sabi, make them to go talk.
Now I don't know why that kind of person not good for work because maybe for that meeting we on this so now the thing where you go talk maybe na ain't go help.
Exactly. If it be brainstorming session
for what they look for, but because of say you not talk, you not get that confidence. You understand? You go the fear say this thing.
If I go talk am now, they go say na me spoil am. I beg make other people talk am, or maybe the talk am person can say don't you think we should do it this way?
You can say okay, no problem.
Now me say he don't dey angry, but I don't okay. As I talk am,
I be no one talk
we do am. Na so we in fact na so we go do am. Then you go notice say a person like that, they know they take up challenging task because they no go get that swag, that confidence to learn. So when challenging tasks come, you know, we be say if they don't give the person routine now, say they do from A to B, they won't call expand. They want to from A to D. The superior, the oga go look and say this person no go sabi am. Meanwhile, if he be that person, we sabi am.
Person like Albert now, you know, if he get challenging, you know, if he
take challenging role,
you know, if he
because that kind thing, you know.
You tell her no first. Abi you say it could maybe or it depends like easy bit.
I just laugh am. You know, say easy bit.
After you laugh am, he don't do anything. Hey, he not get that challenging spirit.
Not get that swag. If not easy bit now, wait, if it's easy bits, guys, you know, see when our callers come. It is easy beats. I like you.
Oh,
you know.
Easy bit officially. Bumi not say he like you.
No, I say color.
I hear them.
I said the colors they say.
Una know hear them.
The colors they say easy bit I like.
You know
she
why?
say colors.
You
Not
know in Agwabiati. Why is every time when they give example? Now easy beat.
Okay, who is
why you not forget things? It can do spirit. It can do. Can you can do?
Okay, Nedu.
No, now use me. Now use me. I don't say the crush on me since. I know. I'm not just one talk and since. But is there any hope for Albert?
No hope.
Hey!
Nedu, let us talk. We leave Albert.
You know that election we do that time, Hope 93. You know say the thing go. That no. Thing don't go.
Continue.
Don't go.
How much you?
They say low self-esteem.
Albert, please don't kill yourself. Don't go and hang yourself for Bikokwa. Continue.
They know say people will get self-esteem. It they manifest in another way, maybe body language or presentation.
Okay, good bless say they carry themselves. Bless say they proud.
Brag, as in, I know
But
what
those
talk
kind of people they say they cry for work because I don't know some people for work. You go see them they work and then sabi pass.
You know the stand.
na low self-esteem they cause am because they know what na me dey.
Because then go feel say if I not carry myself now, person go they see me like say I not sabi
exactly,
or something.
or they no go respect me. So when I carry
But those
myself like
kind of people, I
that,
believe so those kind of people know they help for work.
and they don't get team spirit. If you notice, people wey get low self-esteem, they no be team players.
Okay, they come with it because they don't always speak.
They don't even get team spirit self because any small thing na dey irritate them. They quick vex. Any small thing like no be so they do am okay I go do am. They quick get skinny because the low self-esteem dey affect them.
This thing what I talk so now, it get some people specifically for office. I know some for this our office. If you see them, they carry themselves as if they sabi pass anybody. You don't get anything when you talk, then no. Where they know, then go tell you say they know already.
And
then know and pass. Those kind of people, wait, now evil spirit they worry them. I been can do no be
can do attitude. No.
Waiting be their problem.
Na signs of low self-esteem.
Signs of...
Because na signs because person wey be say get high self-esteem. If you notice them naturally, their communication, you know, so we don't talk this thing before.
Yes.
Their communication they not be say that they try to dominate discussion, but they contribute. They
get waiting to talk.
Exactly, because they now the ability to learn, and then the confidence is there. So it's not all the time where person will get high self-esteem go talk something we right, but they are good communicators.
I see, at least he go talk.
Exactly, go talk. If another person come feel say, no be so. Person will get high self-esteem also.
He go still go say, okay, I be not know. He go learn.
Exactly.
But person will get low self-esteem because of say he no want talk, make them say not being they wrong. He go just keep quiet.
Then they go off. Okay, then they go meeting. Maybe they go meeting yesterday. No call me. Maybe they go now. Maybe they go. I beg.
Because if you say you're not the important, you dey see yourself say you dey low.
They low. Now low self-esteem they cause them.
Continue.
Then person will get low self-esteem. They say they speak too quietly. And that one, they denote say the person they fear.
Make you not go to say what's in talk.
Spoiler more. Then they said they don't make enough gestures to emphasize their points, and then they know they convey enough energy.
Oh, gestures. Now one person they use hand now.
Like people who live for New York now.
Expression and all the
people where they New York, they like to they talk with their hands and all that. But you see, for instance, now if they maybe one meeting. Maybe now go bid for one project. You need to convey enough energy to the people where they there. Say, Nafi do this thing.
Okay, at least your body language,
exactly.
That swam. For example, they explain, okay, this now how, because if the guy enter, so the guy will just, so the guy will come there, do like, boys. So when the guy enters, he will now go. So because say you're not the... Not true, Sha. If the person, I beg this guy. This guy not serious.
Especially when he be saying a presentation, you know, say they go put they project everything. So you're supposed to defend all your points, you know, accurately.
So you see, sir, when then the man come like this, you can be able to go under. So when you now go under, okay. What you are going to see under? The Calama bush. Yeah. This Calama bush. Oh, okay. This under. The little bats, I can tell you.
But nobody say they go project the first slide. The person go come and say,
actually,
as you can see, now everything as they can see. As you can see, you know. Let's move to the next slide, you know. This slide is accurate enough,
as you can see.
Now be say people where the board, then they blind. So but they project them now as they can see. You know, don't be saying you can't defend them.
Give them people they can't go house.
Make them read them.
Make them go see them.
I say, raise up your hand. Which one you know understand? Make I explain for here now. Because as you can see, everything done there.
Continue.
There are people like that. Now those kind of people, they are questions, you know. We talk say as they speak and then their body language, you go no. People like that, the way that they talk, now like say that they ask question always, you know. Like say, okay, the person go meet your Oga and say, Oga, you know, say since I don't date this company now, I don't date like 7 years, you know, and they see people will come after me 2 years, 3 years. they promote them. And me, I don't work for this company. I don't work. In fact, I believe I deserve promotion. Don't you think so?
Hey, when a person will get low self-esteem, go talk that kind of one because you not fair believe yourself.
So you can't they ask the person, say, the person no think say you supposed to promote you. After people will come 2 years, 3 years, where you see you. They don't promote them now. So
but if you know your work, you know what
if you know your work, you go support them with accuracy. Say, guys, I don't did this company for the past 7 years. If you notice in the first 2 years where I come, one project where we do, now me handle about 25% of the structure. Then after that, I do extra hours. If you notice my performance appraisal for the next year, making 3 years cumulative, my percentage, it go high. Then in the 4th year, I go supervise some of the projects where we get for, you go to support them with facts, where we say, Oga, as I don't do all this thing, I feel do better. I feel do better. And say, now me they carry the team along. So I get the experience. So I go appreciate.
If you go promote.
I go appreciate if
you will say with your guy. You say with your guy, you go. Your guy go no say.
Exactly.
You just want to know what you talk. Don't say you go say, Oga, you say.
In fact, the way you go enter Oga office, come knock, small. I feel come inside. Come in.
Oga, you
what
see.
Is the problem? What's the
problem? Oga, it's not as if you see, it's not as if it's anything no. You see, Oga, in this company, you see things that Oga, yourself, what do you think, Oga? I think you should get out of my office.
And people like that, the Oga go, they say, it be like say you don't get anything. Say, no, Oga, I be want to talk this thing. Just hear me, I beg. Hear me. Now be say go to talk small. Can they introduce one kind of sympathy where be say the man can okay, talk. They talk gently as if the whole world don't finish. Now on top that matter. Meanwhile, somebody will be say get high self-esteem. You go don't talk and pam.
We know what in what. We know what in they do.
You go even tell the Oga, say make the Oga go check in track record. That's sad. Check my track record.
The Oga go believe this guy. The ginger we get. You get.
It's sabi.
Anyway, for you now go back small chicken break when you come back, go continue. Still on top of the discuss a ginger and a self-esteem where you supposed to get. For those of you who don't they work already, one of business so because if they are applicable for business as well.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.